How to remove playlist from Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can remove or delete playlist of yours on Spotify account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to clear your Spotify playlist or to delete your Spotify playlist, simply go ahead and open up Spotify. Now, be it Android or iOS, the process is same, only the navigations might be different. Then head into your library tab. Here now you can open up your particular library, right? Your playlist. Here on the playlist page, you'll find the three dots icon there. You can see there three dots. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on three dots, here you'll find the option that says delete playlist. You can see remove profile and you can see delete playlist. Tap on delete playlist and you can go ahead and delete the playlist. So this is how you can easily delete your Spotify playlist or remove your Spotify playlist. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.